Hello and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we will talk about my country called Wales. Okay, so in the first video we spoke about the country England. In the second video we spoke about the country Scotland, and in today's video number 3, we will talk about my country, Wales. Okay, so if we look here, you can see England, and to the left of England, we have Wales. So if I zoom in on the map, we can see a bridge. So this is a bridge and it goes from England into Wales. Okay, so the bridge goes from England into Wales. The capital city of Wales is called Cardiff. Okay, so in Wales there are actually over 600 castles. Okay, over 600 castles. That's a lot of castles. So we will start off in Cardiff, which is a city. Okay, so I will bring the icon close to the castle so you can see the castle. Okay, so this is Cardiff, and this here is Cardiff Castle. So this is a very big castle, as you can see there, very big castle. And then we have people. There's people walking along the pavement. There is also flags. So this is the Welsh flag. Okay, so we have the Welsh flag, we have the castle, we have a van. This is a van, this is a car, and that is a car. Then if I continue, so if I go down the road, keep going down the road, so here we can see a bus. And this, do you remember when we talked about telling the time with a clock? So we spoke about that when we spoke about Big Ben in England and the church in Edinburgh. So this church in Cardiff also has a clock where you can tell the time. We also have some more people. And then on the right side here, we have Pizza Express. So outside Pizza Express, we have a table, we have chairs, and we have flowers on the table. So there are flowers on the table. Okay, so this is Cardiff in Wales. The next place we will go to is a beach town, and that is called Tenby. So I will zoom in on Tenby. Tenby also has a castle. Okay, so we will zoom in near the castle. There we go, Castle Hill. Who knows the song Castle on the Hill by Ed Sheeran? That reminds me of the song Castle on the Hill by Ed Sheeran. Okay, so if we go to the castle on the hill, this is what we see. So we can see the sea. We can also see boats in the sea. So we have 1 boat, 2 boats, 3 boats, 4 boats, 5 boats, 6 boats in the sea. And then we can see people watching the boats in the sea. So if we zoom out, we also have a bench here. This is a bench where you can sit down on the bench. And here we can see the beach. So here we have the beach. There's lots of people on the beach, and there are some people swimming in the sea. Okay, so there's people on the beach, and there's also people swimming in the sea. And over here, it looks like they might have a surfboard. So they could be surfing in the sea also. And this here, this is a path. So this path leads down to the beach. So you can walk along the path and go down to the beach. This here is a bird. It's a black colored bird on the path. And if I go to the right here, there's 2 people sitting on the bench. So 2 people sitting on the bench, looking out at the sea and watching the boats pass by. Okay, so this next place is a small village in Wales. So we can see a man. So this is a man. He's walking down the pavement, and this is the road, and these are cars parked on the side of the road. And as we look here, this is a man. The man is on top of a ladder. So this is a ladder. This is the roof of the house, and this is the chimney. Okay, and as we go down the road, so we go down the road, here we can see flowers. So these are pink flowers, and then we can also see some trees. So these are green trees, and these are pink flowers. And this here, this is a brick wall. It's a wall made of bricks. Okay, so if we keep going down the road, keep going. So we come to a bridge. So this is a bridge, and this is water. Okay, so we have water and the bridge. The song comes to mind, Water Under the Bridge by Red Hot Chili Peppers. Very good song. So in this photo, we can see mountains. Okay, we can see mountains. We can see the field. We can see trees. We can see the river. And over here, we can also see sheep. There's 2 sheep. 1 sheep, 2 sheep. Okay, so it's been very, very good. We can see a lot of different things. So let me know down in the comments on YouTube if you like Cardiff, the city with a castle, or do you like Tenby, the beach town with the sea, where you can see the sea, or do you like this place here in the north of Wales where we can see mountains and the river? Let me know down in the comments which you like the most. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon for another video. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to like the video and subscribe on YouTube for more videos. I'll see you soon for another video. Goodbye.